Cordless or corded, which pressure washer is the right choice for you? Is portability more important, or do you need maximum cleaning power? In this video, we'll compare both options side by side to help you make the right decision. From bikes and cars to balconies, verandas, and solar panels, pressure washers have become an essential cleaning tool for every home and business. Let's begin with the cordless pressure washer. Meet the IP4U cordless pressure washer. Compact, lightweight, and battery-powered, it's designed for convenience and mobility. Simply connect it to a bucket, attach the battery, and you're ready to clean, anytime, anywhere. Perfect for washing bikes, light vehicle cleaning, outdoor furniture, and minor floor cleaning, the cordless pressure washer gives you complete freedom without the hassle of power cords. It's an ideal companion for homeowners looking for quick and easy cleaning solutions. Designed for convenience and portability, the IP4U cordless pressure washer is your perfect home cleaning companion. Simply connect, spray, and clean, anytime, anywhere. But what if you need more power for tougher cleaning jobs? That's where the corded pressure washer comes in. The XLNT 2209 comes complete with all the essential accessories for efficient cleaning. The ergonomic spray gun delivers powerful and controlled water flow for effective cleaning. An inlet filter helps protect the machine by preventing dirt and debris from entering the system. Combined with the powerful XLNT pressure washer, these components work together to deliver reliable performance for cleaning applications. Now, watch the XLNT 2209 in action. With its powerful high-pressure output, it effortlessly removes dirt, mud, and grime, giving your car a professional quality clean every single time. Built for performance, the XLNT 2209 delivers the power needed for demanding cleaning tasks. See how easily it restores your vehicle's shine with precision and consistency. From stubborn dirt to spotless results, this machine is built to handle it all. Whether you're cleaning cars, balconies, verandas, solar panels, or outdoor surfaces, the XLNT 2209 delivers consistent results. For best performance, we recommend operating the machine continuously for up to 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Choose cordless for portability and everyday cleaning. Choose corded for power and heavy-duty applications. With batteries available for cordless models and spare parts available for corded machines, IP4U has you covered. Need help selecting the right pressure washer? Ask for our pro tips while placing your order. Contact IP4U today at 8879370688. IP4U, smarter tools, better productivity.